Welcome to the GATE BT Express series, part 1. So we have 4 questions. Question 1. The power required for agitation of non-aerated medium in fermentation is dash kilowatt. Operating conditions are the diameter of the fermenter 3 meter, number of impellers 1, mixing speed equal to 300 rpm, the diameter of impeller equal to 1 meter, viscosity of broth is equal to 0.001 Pascal second, the density of broth equal to 1000 kg over meter cube, power number equal to 5. So we need to calculate it. So we start by writing down all the data given, mix the formula, and we will substitute the data in the formula and arrive at the required answer. So we have the data. Diameter of the fermenter 3 meter, impellers 1, mixing speed 300 rpm. So first write down the formula. Power is given by Np, which is the power number, times density time n cube, where n is the speed of rotation or the mixing speed here, times dA to the power 5, where dA is the diameter of the impeller or diameter of the agitator. So since the number of impellers equal to 1, just multiply by 1. Therefore power is equal to power number 5 times the density of the broth is 1000 kg over meter cube, 1000 kg over meter cube, times mixing speed 300 rpm. So 300 over 60 rotation per second, which has a unit 1 over s. The diameter of the agitator or the impeller is 1 meter. So 1 raised to the power 5. And the units, density kg over meter cube, and the mixing speed is 1 over minute, or since we converted minute to second, so 1 over s raised to the power 3 times meter power 5. So therefore power is equal to 5000 times 0, 0, 6 5 are 5 power 3, 25, 125 times 1, which is equal to 625,000 kg meter square over second cube. This is nothing but watt. So power is equal to 625,000 watt. Since the answer required is in kilowatt, so divide by 1000, so 625 kilowatt. Okay. Now second, in an assay of type 2 dehydrogenase of molecular mass 18 kilodalton, it is found that the Vmax of enzyme is 0.0134 micromole per minute when 1.8 microgram enzyme is added to assay mixture. If Km for substrate is 25 micromolar, Kcat over Km ratio is 10 raised to the power 4 over molar second. The formula Vmax is equal to, generally it's given as K2 E0, where E0 is the concentration of the enzyme, and K2 is nothing but the Kcat times E0, concentration of enzyme. So Vmax is given, which is 0.0134 micromole over minute, which is equal to Kcat. Kcat is unknown, and concentration of enzyme. So enzyme concentration is generally mass over volume. So we have the mass 1.8 microgram and volume. So we 1.8 microgram divided by the molecular mass 18 kDa, so 18,000 Dalton. 1 Dalton is gram over mole. Since the left hand side of the expression is in molar, we convert the grams to mole by dividing using the molecular mass given. So 0.0134 micromole over minute is equal to Kcat times 1.8 divided by 18000, and it has the units micromolar, right? So it's 10 power minus 4 micromolar. Micromolar get cancelled out. So 0.0134 minute raised to the power minus 1 divided by 10 power minus 4 is equal to k cat. Therefore, the value of k cat is equal to nearly 134 minute inverse or 1 over minute. We can keep it as such or divide by 60 to write it as 1 over second. We need the ratio k cat over km. K cat is found, which is 134 minute inverse, right? So 134 over minute divided by km. The value of km is 25 micromolar. 25 into 10 raised to the power negative 6 molar. Therefore, the value of k cat over km is equal to 134 into 10 raised to the power 6 over 25 molar minute, which is equal to 5.36 into 10 raised to the power 6 mole inverse minute inverse. K cat over km ratio in the units of molar inverse second inverse is given by, so divide by 60. So we get 8.93 into 10 raised to the power 4 molar inverse second inverse. Next, third one. A protein is purified using ion exchange column. HTP and the linear liquid velocity of mobile phase is given by Van Demeter equation is provided, that is H is equal to A over U plus BU plus C, where HTP in meter and U in meter per second, which is the linear mobile phase velocity. Values of A and B, A, B, C are given as 3 into 10 raised to the power negative 8 meter square over second, and B is 3 second, and C is 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 meter. We need to find the number of theoretical plates based on minimum HTP for a 66 centimeter long column. So just take down the data given. So our approach is Van Demeter equation is provided. So we need to find where the slope, that is dH over du, becomes 0. So at that point, dH over du becomes 0 when u is equal to u minimum. Therefore, let's differentiate this equation with respect to u. Therefore, dH over du is equal to A is constant, 1 over u. On differentiating, we get minus 1 over u square plus B constant. Differentiating u, we get 1. Differentiation of constant, that is C is a constant, so 0. So dH over du is equal to minus A by u square plus B. When this condition is satisfied, u is u minimum. So this is equal to 0 at u is equal to u minimum. So we will find the u minimum. For B is equal to A over u square. So u square is equal to A over B. U, that is the minimum liquid velocity, mobile phase velocity, A over B, right? Let's find the value of u minimum. Square root of the value of A, 3 into 10 raised to the power negative 8 meter square second, divided by the value of B, 3 seconds. So divide by 3, so we get root of 10 raised to the power negative 8, which is 10 raised to the power negative 4 meter per second. U minimum is found. So substitute this value wherever there is U and we will get H minimum. So H minimum is equal to A 3 into 10 raised to the power negative 8 divided by U minimum 10 raised to the power negative 4 plus B 3 seconds times 10 raised to the power negative 4, that is U minimum value, plus C 6 into 10 raised to the power negative 5. So the H minimum as a unit meter. So we will find the value of H minimum. So it's 3 into 10 raised to the power negative 4 plus 3 into 10 raised to the power negative 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power negative 5. 3 plus 3, 6. So 6.6 into 10 raised to the power negative 4 meter. Right? We need to find the number of theoretical plates. We know N, that is number of theoretical plates, is equal to the total length by the length of each plate. Right? We need to find the number of theoretical plates for minimum HTP, that is the H minimum. N is equal to length of the column 66 centimeter or 0.66 meter, consistent units. 6.6 into 10 raised to the power negative 4 meter. Therefore, N is equal to 10 raised to the power 3, that is 1000 plates. So the number of theoretical plates based on minimum HTP for a 66 centimeter long column for these values A, B, C is 1000 plates. So the fourth problem. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is cultured in a chemostat with the dilution rate 0.5 hour inverse. Feed substrate concentration is 10 gram per liter. Biomass concentration in chemostat at steady state will be dash gram per liter. Assumptions: sterile field, maintenance is negligible, that is the yield coefficient Yx bar S is equal to 0.4 grams of biomass over grams of substrate. Microbial growth kinetics is given by the Monod equation. Mu is equal to mu max S over Ks plus S, where the kinetic constants are mu m is equal to 0.7 hour inverse, Ks is equal to 0.3 gram per liter, and S is the substrate concentration in gram per liter. Okay, we start with the data provided. The dilution rate D, which is equal to F by V, 0.5 hour inverse, right? And the feed substrate concentration S naught is equal to 10 gram per liter. S, it's not provided, unknown. And sterile field means no microbe or the no cell input, that is x0 is equal to 0 gram per liter. Maintenance is negligible, Yx bar S is 0.4. First write down the cell balance. So cell balance, cell in minus cell out plus cell generated minus cell death is equal to the rate of change of cells or the cells accumulated, since at steady state is equal to 0. And one more thing, it's a sterile feed, so it's 0 and no death. Therefore, mu xv, the cell grown, is equal to the cell's output. We know F by V is equal to D, right? So mu x is equal to dx, or in other words, the dilution rate is equal to the specific growth rate of the cells. That is first. Second, we write the substrate balance. So substrate in Fs0, substrate out Fs, substrate generated is 0. Only consumption of substrate. Consumption of substrate is mu xv over Yx bar S. substrate accumulated is equal to 0. Steady state. Take this term to the other side. Therefore, F times S0 minus S is equal to mu xV over Y x bar S. F by V times S0 minus S is equal to mu x over Y x bar S. F by V is D. So D into S0 minus S is equal to, and we have one more expression, mu is equal to D from the cell balance. Therefore, mu is equal to dx over Y x bar S. dd cancels out. Therefore, the expression for the steady state biomass concentration in the chemostat will be x is equal to Y x bar S into S0 minus S. This is the formula. X in gram per liter. And we have the values, say Y x bar S is equal to 0.4. So Y x bar S is known, S0 is equal to 10, this is known, and S is unknown. So let's use this monod kinetics to arrive at the value of S. Monod equation. Mu is equal to D from the cell balance. Therefore, D is equal to mu max S over Ks plus S. So, D times Ks plus ds is equal to mu max S. Let's keep S on one side. So, D times Ks into mu max minus D times S. Let's take the term to the denominator. Therefore, the value of S is equal to D times Ks over mu max minus D. So, we have the data. D is equal to 0.5 hour inverse. Ks 0.3 gram per liter into 0.3. Mu max 0.7 hour inverse minus D 0.5. 3 are 15, so 0.15 divided by 7 minus 5.2. So it's 0.75 gram per liter. Since we have everything, therefore the value of x is given by Y x bar S 0.4 times S0 10 gram per liter minus 0.75 gram per liter, which is equal to 3.7 gram per liter. So let's write down all the formulas we used. Power is equal to power number times rho n cube, the mixing speed, times the diameter of the impeller raised to the power 5 times the number of impellers. And we arrived at the answer 625 kilowatt. For the second question, we use the formula, say V max is equal to K cat E naught. And we arrived at the value of K cat over Km ratio is equal to 8.93 into 10 raised to the power 4 1 over mole second. So 8.93. And for the protein purification step, we differentiated the Van Demeter equation. So the logic is differentiate Van Demeter equation and make the slope equal to 0 and get the value of U minimum, and from U minimum you find the H minimum, and we apply the formula, that is number of theoretical plates, N is equal to the length of column over by the height of each plate, H minimum. and we found the value to be say 1000 plates. On the Chemours chart problem, we started with the cell balance and arrived at mu equal to D and gone for the substrate balance, and we deduced the expression that is x is equal to yx bar as S0 minus S, and we got the value of S using the monad equation assuming mu equal to D that we got from the cell balance. And finally we got the value of x is equal to 3.7 gram per liter. Thank you.